Across the middle, a pass is going to be intercepted. Dickey is up, gets up, throws it all into the end zone. What a play by Darrell Dickey. Well, down with 4, 3, 2, 1. Tennessee beats Miami. Tennessee wins the Super Bowl.
Johnny Majors' 1985 squad became the first Tennessee team to win an SEC championship in 16 years. The Vols beat Auburn and Alabama, and that squad would become known as the Sugar Bowl after blowing out second-ranked Miami.
To the 45, to the 40, shot a blocker in front, 35-30, 25-20. Big T said, 5, what did he do?
Yeah.
For the big one.
Yeah, right, yeah.
London, pass downfield, this was going to be intercepted.
Johnny Majors' 1990 team culminated back-to-back SEC championship seasons. The Vols handed Florida a 45-3 defeat, UT's biggest win in the history of the series, and won 3 straight games to finish off the regular season. Tennessee capped the season in dramatic fashion with a 23-22 come-from-behind win over Virginia in the Sugar Bowl. The Vols trailed 16-3, but rallied with 31 seconds left. The 1990 Tennessee football team.